cooking with all the right ingredients. This student from Buford Elementary School is the winner of this year's Sodexo Future Chef competition.
Well, whenever they said Buford Elementary, I was shaking because it could have been me or Elena. And then when they said my name, I was just, yeah.
For this year's competition, students had to cook meals inspired by their favorite book or movie, and the winning dish was delicious.
So I made an arugula and hummus mini pizza. And then what was in it was, of course, hummus and arugula and dates and naan bread.
12 elementary students from across the district took to the kitchen at the Buford Jasper Academy for Career Excellence, cooking up their meals. The kid chefs had an hour to prepare their recipes.
I was making pesto, and there's garlic, basil, olive oil, pine nuts, pasta.
I was making turkey wrap with fruit salad. What we put on it was turkey, mustard, Swiss cheese, basil, and then for our fruit salad, we put pears, grapes, strawberries, and cherries.
I made ratatouille, and what's in it is yellow squash, zucchini, eggplant, tomatoes.
Assisting the future chef competitors in the kitchen were Sodexo employees, as well as culinary students from the Academy for Career Excellence.
I let her know that just to relax and be confident, everything comes at its pace because we fell a little bit behind, but we came back and we did it together as a team. She's gonna be a great cook. She has great confidence. She's very smart, intelligent. She's gonna be a great cook.
Once the cooking was complete, each chef presented their meals to a panel of judges who tasted and scored each dish. This is the 11th year Sodexo has held the Future Chef competition at the Buford Jasper Academy for Career Excellence. Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.